Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what you need: server IP, SSH port, and credentials. Open Putty now, set host name to the IP and port to the server SSH port. If you have a key, go to connection right arrow SSH right arrow auth and load your PPK private key. If not, prepare your password. Double-check the username you'll use after connection opens. Once done, make sure your machine is on the correct network and firewalls allow outbound SSH so the client can reach the server. Now configure the session for reliability. Enter a saved session name and click Save so you don't repeat settings. Under Connection, set seconds between keepalives to 30 to prevent timeouts. Under Terminal, you can adjust emulation if needed. If you want logs, enable session right arrow logging. Click Open to initiate SSH. On first connect, accept the host key fingerprint. This secures identity verification. When prompted, type your username, then password, or the key will authenticate automatically, giving you a shell prompt. After you have a shell, confirm access by running whoami and ls, and test sudo if needed with sudo l. Transfer files using pscp or winscp if you prefer a GUI. Finish the session with exit or logout. If something goes wrong, the key causes most issues. Ensure you converted open SSH key to PPK for Putty. Verify the SSH service is running on the server, confirm the port and IP are correct, and check local or server firewall rules. These fixes resolve most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.